सफ़र में धूप तो होगी, जो चल सको तो चलो। सफ़र में धूप तो होगी, जो चल सको तो चलो। सभी हैं भीड़ में, तुम भी निकल सको तो चलो। कहीं नहीं कोई सूरज, धुआं धुआं है फ़िज़ा। कहीं नहीं कोई सूरज, धुआं धुआं है फ़िज़ा। खुद अपने आप से बाहर निकल सको तो चलो। हेलो फ्रेंड्स, क्या आप भी लाइफ में कुछ डिस्कनेक्टेड से हैं? You think that you are not in sync with yourself. You feel that you have lost your interest, you have lost your passion. If somebody asks you, how are you? You tell them, I'm fine, but you very well know that you are not fine. You feel that negative thoughts have trapped you and you are trapped in a dark tunnel where there is no light ahead. Then, this is the right place. Then stay here, get connected with Zindagi. ए ज़िंदगी चल एक बार फिर मिलते हैं उस मोड़ पे जहाँ से कुछ छूट सा गया है. Let's get connect. Hey go getters, this is Divya Sharma at this end. Welcome to my channel Zindagi Connect. Professionally, I am an educationist, but here I am a hope maker, healer, and my motto is to create happiness in your life. As you all know, to prepare a recipe, we need few ingredients. Similarly, to get connected with Zindagi, we need a very important ingredient, and that is your own mindset. Now what is mindset? क्या सोच लेने से mindset हो जाता है? नहीं, we need to put in some efforts. Mindset plays a very important role in our life. इसी से related मैं एक story आपके साथ share करती हूँ. Once there was this gentleman who was walking through an elephant camp, and what he saw was that all the elephants, they were not kept in cages or chains. Rather, what was holding them was a piece of rope, small piece of rope, which was tied to one of their legs. Now he became very much curious that why elephant, being such a powerful animal, he is not able to escape, why he is not running away. So with this curiosity, he asked the trainer, why is it so? The trainer replied that when they were very young, their mind was conditioned to believe that they cannot break through this rope. And as they grow, they started believing that the rope is holding them back and they cannot try to escape. So this was their mindset. The mindset of elephant was that they cannot break free that rope, although the rope was very small. Similarly, what is holding you back is your own mindset. If you believe that you cannot do, you will not be able to do. But if you have faith in yourself, then you will definitely be able to do. Just one step you need to take today. That is, you have to feed your mind with one word, and that is yes. Yes, there is a light ahead. Yes, no matter what, how dark the place may be, there is always a way out. Yes, I will walk, I will fall. Again I will walk, fall and walk. No matter how long the road is, still I will take this first step. Yes, I will fight, not flight. No matter how hard it takes, no matter how much effort it takes, but I will walk. Yes, I will save my life and make myself happy. No matter my life is aimless, no matter I am stressed, depressed, no matter someone helps me or not, I will help myself. Yes, I will. तो इन्हीं नाउम्मीदियों में उम्मीद सिर्फ और सिर्फ आप ही जगा सकते हैं. मन के हारे हार सदारे, मन के जीते जीत, मत निराश हो तू उठ ओ मेरे मन के मीत. Health on the rocks. In this segment, today I'll be sharing how vibrations and emotions play a very important role while we are cooking or while we are eating. क्या आपने कभी सोचा है जब हम अच्छे मन से और दिल से खाना बनाते हैं तो कितना स्वादिष्ट खाना बनता है, और वही खाना, वही रेसिपी, वही इंग्रेडिएंट्स के साथ अगर हम गुस्से में और चिंता में खाना बनाते हैं तो बेस्वाद सा खाना बनता है. Isn't it? So, does vibrations and emotions play an important role while we are cooking or while we are eating? Yes, it does. इसी से related, I'll share with you Dr. Masaru Emoto. He was a Japanese pseudo-scientist. He did some research on water. Some part of water was exposed to positive thoughts, prayers, while another part of water was exposed to negative thoughts. And after doing the research, it was concluded that जो positive thoughts वाले water थे and the crystals formed were very harmonious, while similarly negative thoughts, the water which was exposed to negative thoughts created disharmonious crystals. Similarly, when we are cooking, an invisible energy or vibrations gets absorbed by the food. This transfer of energy from the person who is cooking impacts the food, and it impacts the people who eat that food. So yes, vibrations and emotions play a very important role in our life while we are cooking. So I'll suggest you, when you are going into the kitchen or while you are entering the kitchen, please keep yourself calm. It is very important to keep yourself calm while you are cooking. तो लगाइए प्यार का तड़का और बनाइए स्वादिष्ट खाना. बुझी शम्मा भी जल सकती है, तूफ़ानों से कश्ती निकल सकती है, हो के मायूस यूं ना अपने इरादे बदल, तेरी किस्मत कभी भी बदल सकती है. Thank you so much friends for watching this, and please do subscribe and press the bell icon and stay tuned.